Atoms fall apart. Solar flares arrive. Buildings collapse. Only a few will survive. The world as we know it will no longer be there. Water is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse. The apocalypse. The heat is scorching. Forests burned up. The sky colors red. Volcanoes erupt. The world as we know it will no longer be there. Water is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse.
What's up, guys? This is Matt Tolbers with Performance Diecast, back at it with another diecast unboxing. Today we got the Audi R8 GT version. As you saw, the red one, that was the V10 Plus. They're both by Maisto, both 1/18 scale. So I'll show you guys this up a little closer for anyone that's interested. There is the engine. Pretty similar to the other one. And here's the interior. You probably already saw it, just doing a quick kind of look through again. It has the racing seat belts. What do they call it? 5 harness or whatever. Kind of like the racing bucket seats in this one. It's got the little roll cage you can kind of see back there. Pretty, not bad interior. It says R8 GT down there. Thought that was pretty cool. It's got the little suspension that does work. The rotors aren't like super high quality, if you can see it, but there's a little trunk in the front. Goes up, doors open. This is as far as the doors open, but they feel really firm. Doesn't have windows on this one. Our other one has windows, but it's kind of cool that the whole engine in the back opens like this. The other one is just the little glass piece right here, just pops open if I can get it. It's not the whole thing, so I thought it was kind of cool on this one that it did that. It's got the carbon fiber look to it, and yeah, I think it's a nice little car here. So if you guys want to get it, I'll have a link in the description. But yeah, I just did a little Halloween theme. If you guys noticed, I'm gonna start doing some more theme cars. So, or themes for the cars for different holidays and different things like that. So if you guys like that, just leave a like and let me know you think it's kind of cool. My wife decorated it. She's pretty good at that type of stuff. So, ooh, look at that bad boy. I love red and black. That looks cool too, all blacked out looks. So, alright guys, if you aren't subscribed, subscribe, and see you in the next one.